We are currently on a road trip around Tasmania living in this tiny van, all four of us. If you are new around here, I'm Heather, this is Brady, Alexa, and Chloe. And we are a full-time traveling family currently exploring the beautiful country of Australia with some of our dear friends from Flying the Nest, Stephen, Jess, and Hunter.
Hi!
This week we are visiting Cradle Mountain, and let's just say we may be off to a rough start.
Let's see how Heather slept.
Hi.
You look so scared.
I am. Last night I went to the bathroom and I came back and there was a very strange creature right in front of the van. Pretty sure it was a Tasmanian devil. And I don't know that anybody believes me, but I Googled all of the creatures you can find here and I'm pretty sure it was a Tasmanian devil. And I'm scared and I'm not probably gonna leave the van. So I'll see you guys in a couple days. I just saw a little kangaroo hopping through the forest.
Can you see it?
Yeah, it's so cute.
I forgive Tasmania now. We saw the wallaby.
Is that a wallaby or kangaroo?
I'll say kangaroo.
Oh, it was a kangaroo? Just said it was a wallaby.
Oh,
No, it's a wallaby.
it was a wallaby? Okay.
I would not
just
trust
as
the man in the bunny suit.
It was
I would
definitely a bunny.
100%. Yeah.
Time to make the bed. If we ever do a van again, the one thing that we've decided is that it has to have a stationary bed that you don't have to make up every day when you want to drive somewhere, because definitely the hardest part about living in a van this tiny is making up the bed every day. It's not my finest hour.
What's going on here?
We lost my boots, so Jess is letting me borrow hers. I'm brushing my teeth currently.
What, tell us about what we're doing today.
The realities of van life right there.
Chloe, can you show me how you've dressed this morning? Yeah. What's on your hands? Socks? Yeah.
Woohoo!
Woo!
Hunter,
This will make a
are you
little
ready to see a wombat?
Yes, she is. She's gone.
Are you ready to see a wombat? So we have come to the Cradle Mountain Lodge because they have all of these walking trails around, and there's meant to be one specific animal that we are to see.
Yeah, Jess told us that there are going to be wombats, so
I saw a
We better
wombat
see
driving in, just briefly, couldn't stop and see it very well, but they seem to be the cutest animal ever. Are you serious?
Yeah, it's square.
Buddy, that's such a good discovery. That's
oh,
crazy.
is that it?
Yeah.
That's huge.
Okay,
I
so
told you, wombats are square.
first off, tell us how you knew that it was wombat poop.
Because Olaf says wombats poop square.
Olaf says that in the movie?
Yeah.
I didn't
Olaf
realize
speaks
that.
the truth.
Yeah.
So wombats poop square, and this little monkey discovered some wombat poop.
Oh,
Hunter,
yeah,
come
that's
see.
wombat poo. Good spotting.
Want a handful wombat poop. Wombat poop.
Right now we are on the Enchanted Walk, and it really does feel like you're walking through a fairy tale. I feel like I could just see Snow White over there talking to some little woodland creatures.
I think I see a wombat burrow.
Whoa. Good sighting.
I think I see a wombat burrow. I thought it was a fairy cave.
It could be either. Maybe if we call for them, they'll come out.
What noise do wombats
They
make
sound
though?
kind of like pigs. Make like an unky sound.
No, I got it.
A little bit louder. Can I tell you something, Chloe? I was just kidding. They don't actually sound like pigs.
Uh-oh.
Oh man.
Yay.
Let's get some rest.
There's a little wallaby up here, so we have to be quiet.
Oh. Right in there. Right, just over there. Do you see it?
You're lying.
Do you see it? No, it's a river. Do you see? It's right over there. Do you see it? Just right there, just past the trees, there's a river. You okay, Hunter? Are you sad that we didn't see any wombats?
Well, no wombats yet. We're still going to one place by a lake, and I think there's still a chance that we could see some there, so crossing our fingers for that.
2 small hot chocolates, 2 large chai lattes.
We have come now to a little hike to the lake. We're gonna get a really good view of the lake. It's a little bit rainy, but we are having so much fun, and this is gorgeous.
Look at the river.
Wow, this is so pretty.
Oh.
I bet it is cold.
Can you imagine kayaking out there on this part of the lake? Like, so pretty.
I skipped the stone the first time.
So we're all enjoying just a beautiful, picturesque hike around Dove Lake. We're heading off to one specific point, but with the haze over the lake and these green colors, it is just beautiful.
This is supposed to be a 10-minute hike. What are we doing?
We're 10 minutes in.
Oh, is that it?
This one does not like hiking.
I'm fine.
So beautiful.
I love the outdoors. So this is actually a really big like Instagram picture spot. And once we got down here, Alexa said, all this hiking to see a building by a lake? But it's actually really pretty.
Hello.
All the way out there. You see there's a little bush and then you see him moving?
Should we walk over and go check them out?
Yeah, let's see if we can
Alexa,
see how
what is
close
it?
we can
It's
go.
a wombat.
It's a wombat.
Just sitting up there.
We finally spotted a wombat. Oh my goodness. So we have come here for a nice warm soup to heat us up after being out in the cold. I'm guessing it's gonna be very good.
All right, Heather.
Okay, what are we doing?
I'm not sure if you'll be happy with that. Girls, do you want to go and see some real Tasmanian devils?
What?
And not only that, do you want to feed them?
Let's do it.
What?
I thought you would like that.
I don't know about this one,
Oh, let's
I know we were going to say this morning. And they were like,
I know, I was going to do this morning and you were like, I'm so scared of Tasmanian devils, I can't even leave my van. I'm like, better not tell them what I've organised.
Jess, what do we have going on for dinner tonight?
Having a bit of sushi.
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 Can you say sushi?
spiders, insects, snakes. We're prepared if anything happens, don't you worry. We've got spider bites, insects, snakes, stinging plants, which I'm actually intrigued with. I didn't know that you had to worry about the plants. Ticks, blue bottles, bees and wasps.
Blue bottles.
Yeah,
The jellyfish.
Oh,
The dangerous one. The dangerous
The
one.
thing is, open it up and I feel like it's like, oh, if you get bitten by a spider, here's something to numb it. Like it's nothing, like where's the antivenom?
There's the tick removal.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Are you serious? Hold on. It's gone up your nose.
It's a good nose picker.
Hunter, can you say sushi? Oh, yeah. Can you say sushi? Sushi. I taught her how to say it.
Good job.
Say it again. Sushi.
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 Do you want to taste it?
Yeah.
What's it taste like? Is it good?
Good.
It's good. It's
Can I
called
have a bite?
seaweed.
Yeah. Thank you.
Spread it all around.
This.
The first
Then I know how to roll it.
Sorry.
You need those two front teeth back, you
Yeah.
poor thing.
Chloe, are you being patient for your turn? Show me your patient face. Chloe's turn.
Sit up here.
Yep, you go sit over there. All right, is this how we do it?
Yeah.
Just like that? And now what?
Now you just roll it. Just don't
Oh,
make it
God.
real,
No, let me do it.
I have control issues.
Good job, Chloe.
Oh, it's not bad.
There you go.
Good job, Chloe.
Who wants to have some sushi? Do you want more, Alexa?
So this is the reality of living in a small van.
Not a small van, like a micro.
Like a minivan. This is a minivan we're living in.
Minivan is generous. It's a micro van.
No, it's like the size of my mom minivan I used to have
There you
like
go.
years ago.
Yeah.
But now we're all living in it. But we're in the mud right now too, so I'm cleaning up mud. There's just stuff everywhere. We're trying to be as organized as possible.
So for this van trip, we have ditched our suitcases in exchange for these packing cubes. We've gone ahead and bought just a ton of these things because it allows us to separate out our clothes and then stuff them in whatever place we can find, whether that's under seats or overhead. But even when we're living out of our suitcases, these packing cubes keep us sane because we're all able to pack in separate color-coded packing cubes and keep our clothes separated. That way I'm not dumping out our suitcase to find a pair of socks, which keeps Heather happy.
Yes, it does.
So the packing cubes that we've been using for the last couple of years are made by Tripped Travel Gear, which is owned by our friends Tim and Finn, who also travel full time. And I just love that it's made by travelers for travelers. So we've been using the entire line of Tripped Travel Gear for a while now, but for the van trip specifically, I've been enjoying this style of packing cube because it is double-sided. So I keep my clean clothes on one side, and then on the other side, I add in my dirty clothes. Tripped also has an entire range of other travel essentials, such as a toiletry bag, a cable organizer, and even a collapsible backpack. So I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description to some of our favorite packing cubes that they make. But then let us know if you guys also use packing cubes or if you have any other travel packing hacks. Hello, mate.
Guess what, Daddy?
Yeah.
So, hi.
Bye-bye. Guess what, Daddy?
I'm trying to get some work done. There's no space to get any work done in here.
Wallaby, Daddy. Wallaby.
Wallabies, yeah.
They're so cute, Daddy.
They're so cute.
Oh my goodness, we just pulled in and there are wallabies just munching on grass or moss or whatever they eat. Oh my goodness, they're so cute.
But more importantly, what other animal are we seeing tonight? And how does that make you
I think
feel?
I'm just gonna stay out here with the wallabies.
Someone's about to face your fears.
So I didn't even know it was a fear that I had until last night when I came in direct contact with a Tasmanian devil. But we're going to actually go feed Tasmanian devils like right now. So I'm pretty nervous.
Watch your fingertips. Hunter, what are we doing?
What are we doing? I'm feeding my Tassie devil before we go feed some Tassie devils.
So did you book this before or after you realized that she was terrified of Tassie devils?
Before. Then I was like, oh, I hope she still likes it.
She's like, can I get this one? It doesn't have any teeth. She wants to get a Tassie devil.
Is that what you saw?
That's definitely what I saw last night.
Which is so cool because they're super rare.
They're so scary. Never said this about any dangerous animal before, but they're so cute.
And then you were like, yeah, I can see why they called the Tassie devil.
Imagine what it would be
Imagine
like if
going
you
to the
walked out of your
bathroom.
van and heard strange sounds like this.
Yeah.
And then you went to the bathroom and walked back and there was a Tassie devil standing in front of your van. That's what I
I'm still
experienced
jealous. I
yesterday.
want to see it. Tonight I'm going to look out.
You better go out to the bathroom.
So last night, as Heather found a Tassie devil outside of her van, we were looking up facts. Fun fact number one, when they are confronted, they yawn, which is super cute. Fact number two, in a single bite, they can crush your bones. So we ended up bailing on the tour because it started to get a little bit too gruesome, and we are winding our way out of this place in the dark, and there are Tassie devils running everywhere. There's one right beside me here. And I totally agree with Heather. It is terrifying. I would not want to encounter one in the wild in pitch black as she did.
Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe because next week we share the truth about van life.